Today I'll show you what to do if the ear speaker dynamic isn't working on your iPhone. To do this, we'll need to go into settings, right here. So these are my subscriptions, don't worry about that. Here we scroll down and tap on accessibility, then keep scrolling down, down, down. Here we have the hearing devices section. There, and we turn on this toggle. There, if you have it. There. Next, go back and check, make sure Bluetooth is on and you're not connected to any audio device. There, turn it off. Also, your iPhone might automatically connect to a Bluetooth device when it rings. To fix this, go into also in accessibility. Tap touch here. And here we want call audio routing. Yes, the call routing setting. And here, set it to speaker. Absolutely, there. If that didn't help, you can also try restarting your phone or doing a full reset. Let's go to general. I don't remember exactly where it is. Let me look real quick. Just scroll all the way down, tap transfer or reset, then tap reset and reset only the settings. There, that's it. I was Veller. See you all later.